We're happy kids of Excellence Junior School. Found a cabin in the woods, full of books and maps so good. Adventure waits for us to see. Let's use the maps and just be free. Adventure calls, we're on our way, exploring new lands every day. With books and maps we'll find our track. Together there's no turning back. We'll climb mountains, cross the sea. In all our minds we're wild and free. With friends by our side we'll explore. The world's ours, let's open the door. Adventure calls, we're on our way, exploring new lands every day. With books and maps we'll find our track. Together there's no turning back. So come along, let's all